Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Of course, if you want to, you can add or remove a Google account using this section, but to be honest, I prefer this one. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, currently we've got our Google account added, but let me show you that you can add more. So let's start with adding the account. Let's tap on this option, pick Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and as you can see, we'll have to confirm everything with the screen lock. And here from the step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill the section after the @ symbol. Right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, right here we've got our Google account added. Right now I can show you how to remove the Google account, which is quite easy. Simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let me do it with this one also. Sometimes you will have to verify your steps, but no worries. Alright, and as you can see, they will disappear immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.